guys, welcome to Boost Works. Today we're with the 190 project. I've got the fuel rail done, I've drilled it, so I'll put a clip in now. So today guys, I'm going to be putting all the lines in for the fuel pressure regulator. I'm going to be measuring up this to get the flanges welded on. I'm going to start with the engine loom as well, get some wiring putting into this. So hope you enjoy. Right, just a quick update. Fuel pressure regulator is now going back to the tank. It's also got a return line from the standard fuel rail because I haven't finished the custom one yet. So I'll rig it up roughly with the standard fuel rail. Okay, here's the wiring from the original car. It come off a 99 W202 230 compressor. I did label everything when I took it off, so hopefully this should go on pretty easily. Okay, the wiring's on, the engine loom. Some of it I haven't plugged in yet, like the supercharger bypass valve, for instance, because I'm going vacuum, and the starter motor, I've not got the starter motor in yet. I noticed some of you have asked me about my clutch setup. The clutch in this car is actually a performance clutch from Diesel Pump UK. It's meant for an OM606, but when I looked at the bolt patterns and stud patterns, it fit, it bolted straight on. So that clutch and single mass flywheel is rated for 600 horses, I think. So that's more than enough for what I need. I think that's going to be it for today guys, because I need to order more parts. I've got some steel coming, I'm going to make that plan, and I'm sure a lot of you are interested to see that. And I'm going to get the turbo oil lines ordered. The rest of the AN fittings for the fuel pressure regulator, and I need to order a load of boost pipes and stuff and get this actually plumbed together. Remember guys, this is still up for competition. Go back to my last video, make sure there's a comment on there. You have got a chance to win this. I'll give it away in the next video for definite. Make sure you go back and check it out, get the comments on there, that could be yours. Thanks for watching guys, give us a big thumbs up, put your comments in, I love to hear from you all, keep subscribing, see you next time.